Hey guys, welcome to our channel Lifeopedia. I am Ravi Nagar, a self-awareness coach and a meditation practitioner. So we are discussing the problems regarding meditation, and today we are going to touch a very important topic, that is 4 stages of a person. If a person starts from a basic meditation and reaches to the advanced level of meditation, what 4 stages he can cross, and how the first stage is very important, and how the first stage is like most of the people lie in that first stage. So that first stage is unconscious incompetence. Now what does it mean is, you don't know what you don't know. I repeat once again, you don't know what you don't know. Unconscious, you're unconscious about your incompetencies. You are not aware of meditation, that what meditation can do for you, right? You don't know about that thing. So most of the people are in this category who are not doing meditation, that what meditation can do for them. You don't know what you don't know. So it's really wrong, or I would say it's very dangerous to live in this category, because there are, say for example, you have 5 skills and you want to attain the 6th skill to complete that particular task, but you are not aware that what skill to acquire in order to complete that task. This is the situation of unconscious incompetence. So if you start with the meditation, that first stage, to do anything in your life, that first stage will be cleared for you. You will definitely move from first stage to the second stage, which is conscious incompetency. What is conscious incompetence? It means that you are conscious about your incompetencies. Say for example, if you want to do something in your life, at least you know that these are the incompetencies, these are the weaknesses I have, and I have to work on them. This is the second stage of a personality that meditation can bring you in. The third stage. So moving from these stages is a goal of a person, because if you reach to that 4th stage, you will be overwhelmed with the happiness, you will be overwhelmed with your joy. There will be a lot of things that can happen to you, a lot of good things that can happen to you if you move from this first stage to the 4th stage. So the third stage we are discussing, that is conscious competence. You are conscious about your competencies. You know what are your strengths, you know what needs to be done, and you do them cautiously to achieve anything in your life. So in meditation, if you sit and if you are in the 3rd stage, then you know what to do in your meditation, and in your meditation how to get success out of it, how to get whatever you want out of your meditation. So this is the 3rd stage, where you consciously know all your competencies. The 4th stage, which is the highest stage, and if you reach to that stage with the help of meditation, then you can acquire whatever you want in your life. 4th stage is unconscious competence. Unconsciously you have competencies. You have automated the things in your mind. You don't have to cautiously, you don't have to give attention to that thing. Let's take an example to understand it. 4th stage, you know driving, right? Now that is unconscious competency you have. You don't put a lot of effort, you don't put a lot of attention in your driving. If you're driving since years, right? You don't know where to move the steering, when to apply the clutch, when to apply the brake, when to accelerate, right? That is unconscious. During driving, you can listen to the songs, you can talk to someone, even on the mobile phones. It's not legal, but people do that because they are unconsciously competent for driving. So this is the stage. If imagine a task, imagine your professional life, imagine your personal life. If you have automated this kind of stages, you have automated this kind of task in your mind, what will happen? You can do many things. You can do so many things in your life, because you have automated your basic life stuff in such a way that you need not to pay a lot of attention. With bare attention, you can achieve whatever you want. So this is the 4th stage. So if a person starts with a meditation in their life, and if he is at the 1st stage, I would say definitely after a few months, not few months, but after few years, he can reach to that 4th stage. But you have to go gradually, you have to move step by step. It's not like that you will directly go to the 4th stage, because unconscious competencies cannot be acquired within a day. So it takes time to reach to that 4th stage. But yes, with the help of meditation, you can definitely acquire these kind of skills. So if you want to learn meditation, if you are really serious, and maybe you are at basic level or advanced level, that level doesn't matter, but if you want to learn a mindfulness meditation, then please schedule a free call with me. I have given my email in the description, and please schedule a call with me, and then I'll reveal some of the meditation, some of the mindfulness secrets in front of you, and then we can take it forward from there. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, because I'll be bringing a lot of these problems regarding meditation, and we'll solve it together. And please share in comment box if you're doing some meditation, and if you want to if you are having some kind of problems in your meditation, then I'll try to make a video on that, and we'll solve that problem. Thank you very much for watching. Meet you in the next video.